In this video, I will show you how to add token on Phantom Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is open up the Phantom Wallet. Now you can do this on a PC as well. These steps are the same, but in today's tutorial, I'll be doing this on a mobile device. So once you're logged in on your main dashboard, you're going to see the list of current tokens. If you actually look underneath your tokens, you're going to see this option here, which says manage token list. So what you want to do is press onto this. And from here, we can go ahead and search for tokens that we want to add to Phantom Wallet. So for example, if we wanted to add USDT, I would use the search icon at the top, type in USDT and locate our token. By default, most of the tokens are actually enabled, but of course you can use this, and any ones you want to enable and add to Phantom Wallet, they're going to be switched off, like for example Bitcoin. So all you would do is literally turn the switch on to add this to your token list. You may have to go ahead and refresh the wallet, but once you've done that, you should now see your token that has been added. So that is how to add token on Phantom Wallet. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.